We had a very chilly start to our St. Patrick's Day. Mornings were in the 30s on both sides of Lake. This morning was 39 degrees Belle Chase, same at Slidell, 37 Hammond. We started out the morning Bogalusa at 36, 43 at the airport. Lake and Gulf water temperatures are on the rise, so quite a bit milder if you were near the water. 59 was our morning low at Lakefront. And today's high only 72, so just below average. It will be just above average during the day tomorrow. And another chilly start. I don't think the 30s, 40s and 50s to begin our Tuesday. So maybe a jacket in the morning and quickly ditching it by the afternoon, as we're going to see nothing but sunshine again during the day tomorrow. And it has been gorgeous all day today. 72 is our current reading with a dew point low 31. Humidity at the moment is only at 22%. That is from the storms that came in on Saturday. Right behind it, a strong cold front. Windy yesterday, not nearly as windy during the day today. And now high pressure has basically settled right over us. So that's keeping us under clear skies, and that will continue for most of the day tomorrow. In the 70s on both sides of the lake at this hour with that low humid air. However, we are going to start to see, especially by tomorrow, kind of a quick increase in humidity as winds, which are out of the north right now, are almost calm, which they definitely will be tonight. As we have high pressure shifting off to our east, it is going to start to increase our moisture flow back in from the Gulf. I actually meant to update our little headline graphic here, so that's not correct looking ahead for this week. No severe weather is expected this week. What we actually have off to our west is an upper ridge. Notice how temperatures across the central plains are well into the lower 80s. Eventually, probably Wednesday, we will be near 80 degrees as this upper ridging starts shifting our way. And then here's our next weather maker, but not nearly as potent as the one we had this past weekend. So with the upper ridging building over us, next couple of days will be a little bit warmer. Here comes this first upper level low. It's going to stay mainly to our north, but enough of a drop in temperature to really help us drop from the 80s or near 80 degrees on Wednesday to highs in the 60s on Thursday, and probably staying there on Friday. That chilly weather continues, although we do see kind of a slight warming trend. I think the coldest of the air for this weekend will stay north of us, but it does look like we will start to see another upper trough that moves in for Monday during the day, helping to knock our temperatures down yet again. So definitely a little bit more of an up and down of our temperatures, getting up to near 80 degrees Wednesday, a little cooler Thursday and Friday, a little milder to warmer for this weekend before temperatures start dropping again next Monday. We're in that season of cold fronts and warm-ups, and so the ups and downs of the temperatures is kind of par for the course this time of year. Surface high pressure sitting right on top of us at the moment, and that'll keep our winds fairly light during the night tonight. But I mentioned that increase in humidity on the way. That's because the high will start to shift to our east, and as that happens, our winds become off the Gulf. An onshore wind immediately starts increasing humidity. As far as rainfall goes with that cold front I'd mentioned, not a lot. Model really downplays much development of shower activity during the day and especially later into the evening on Wednesday. 20 and I'll say maybe 30% at the very most. But notice as the front actually pushes off to our east, that line becomes a little bit more active, so we could actually start to see some storms firing up just as the front moves through our area, and beautiful weather is on the way for late Wednesday night and heading on into Thursday. With that front, low end threat of severe weather, but that threat is removed well to our north. So thankfully, we'll get through this front without any severe weather threat. And again, only a 20 to 30% chance for a few isolated showers. Temperatures coming down, beautiful end of the week, but on the cooler side, a little milder, a little more humid for the weekend. Then we're going to see another front approach late Sunday and into Monday before another drop in temperatures to start next week.